Okay, so I don't have a lot to share, but what I do want to share with you guys is that, as English teachers, we like our students to interact with the text. And Common Lit is great. However, I know when I want to really, analyze a skill or, specifically look at a specific skill, I sometimes I find Common Lit is just too general. So the textbook, and I'm not sure if this is the way it is for all of the textbooks, our textbook comes with something called the Reader's Companion, and it has like questions and places to mark the text for specific skills. So when we were talking about point of view and author's purpose, we read this story, Jeremiah's Song by Walter Dean Myers. And so I took the story and just put it into an Office 365 document, making sure to copyright Pearson Education, and then uploaded it as an assignment in Schoology. And you can see there that the students then have an opportunity to mark the text for that specific skill and answer some questions along the way. But they're not random. They are specified for the skill that I'm teaching in class. So I'll show you here what the students actually look like. So this would be one of my students' submissions then, and when they submit it then, it is marked. They answer the questions that go along with that skill. So we were, of course, talking about point of view. So it's asking about the point of view questions for the literary analysis throughout this story. And then it's also has places where they're to mark the text, like highlight three details the first person narrator observes in the underlined descriptive text. So you can see where they're marking the text and really interacting with the text. They're not using paper, but it is done through Office 365. And, it takes some time to transfer these papers over, or these stories over, into Word documents in 365. But I think that, what I'm seeing is that it is really something that the students enjoy doing, and they actually are able to interact better with the text. So hopefully you found this helpful. I don't know if it's something that you can use in your classroom, but I find it was very useful for my students.